Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the tail light on a Hyundai Santa Fe from 2007 all the way until 2012. If you need to replace the light bulbs as well, that's how you do it. You need to remove the light in order to replace the bulbs. So what you need to do now, you need to open that lid right here with a flathead screwdriver. Just pry it open. Be careful because that yellow thing is for the airbags there, if yours has the extra side airbags. And now there is three bolts, three nuts that we need to remove. This one there with a 10mm socket that we need to remove. Okay, right there. And now we have one more on the bottom right there, so two on the bottom as you can see, and there is one right there on top. Remove all three of them all the way. Okay guys, and what you need to do now, just pull it with both of your hands like that, and that's where the light bulbs are located. Okay, now if you need to replace the turn signal, it's right here. This is the turn signal bulb. So you just go counterclockwise, okay, like that, and it goes about 30 degrees or so. You're going to feel it. It's a little bit of a tight fit there. Okay, so you need to turn it, okay, because they have the seal that prevents water from going inside your tail light. And you just pull it out, and that's the light bulb. You pull it to the left, turn to the left and pull. Okay, pretty simple procedure for this one. And the other one is for the tail light and brake light, the same way like this one. This one is a tail light on the side as well right here, but ours is burned, as you can see how black it is. So again, you just pull it out, just grab and pull, okay, and push in. And just turn clockwise now this way. If you need to replace the whole tail light right here, you just take all the bulbs out, turn them to the left and pull it out. We also have the video on our channel how to replace the one on the trunk lid. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We upload a new video every day. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.